Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Flashback Friday. Today, I will be taking you through one of the most popular and powerful programming languages of all time, Java. With over 3 billion devices running Java, it has helped shape the world as we know it today. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn some interesting facts about the history of Java. James Gosling and colleagues at Sun Microsystems developed Java in the early 1990s. This team of engineers called themselves the Green Team and initiated the project for interactive television. A typical example of interactive television would be the real-time voting on the screen in which the user can control the show. However, this technology was too advanced for the industry and was better suited for the World Wide Web. Java was initially named the Green Talk and then as Oak. In 1994, it was officially renamed to Java. The first public implementation was Java 1.0 in 1995. In 2006, Sun released Java Virtual Machine as a free and open source software. In the same year, J2SE was renamed as Java Standard Edition or SE. Major releases involved Java SE6 in March 2006 and Java SE8 in 2014. As of today, Java 8 and Java 11 are identified as long-term support versions. Popular Java-based products like JUnit, Eclipse, Hadoop, and Android revolutionized the IT industry. The biggest internet company, Google, has a huge percentage of its development in Java. Accenture is using Java for most of its clients. Hardware companies like Intel, Symantec, Philips, Thomson are all Java users. Java is also considered the official language for Android game development. PUBG, the latest youth obsession, is a cross-platform game that uses Java as a sourcing language. Since 2007, Java has remained a de facto standard and is controlled through the Java community process. Java has evolved to become the most popularly used language and continues to make remarkable contribution into the field of technology. So that is all for today's episode of Flashback Friday. This is your host Chinmayi signing off. We will be back with another technology in the next episode. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.